In today's video, we're going to initiate coverage on Patriot One Technologies, ticker symbol PTOTF. They trade off the OTC exchange, and their current price is $1.94. And guys, they also have a listing on the Canadian exchange. It is ticker symbol PAT.V, and it currently trades at $2.54. So guys, if you have not seen it yet, Patriot One Technologies was on my 3 stocks to buy list for November 2018. I'll go ahead and have a link come up now if you have not seen that video yet, but I do want to start analyzing all the stocks that I put on my 3 stocks to buy list, which I plan to do every month. Patriot One Technologies, guys, has been on my radar for a little over a year. I had a good friend of mine bring this stock to my attention. Of course, it is not quite as popular here in the United States as it is in Canada, but Patriot One has an excellent track record. So as you can see, roughly a year ago, Patriot One was trading under $1. It was trading in the 80 to 90 cent range, and it really spiked up right there at the first of 2018 and has kind of leveled off and drifted back quite a bit. Even has gotten under $1 a few times during the trading year and has now bolted back up, and it trades around $2 again. So I have no idea if YouTube is cool with me doing this or not, but I'm going to play the little video here on the website, and if they demonetize me or they tell me to take the video down, I will just do that. But this little video, guys, can give you a quick little idea of what Patriot One Technologies is doing, what their interests are, and what their solutions aim to be. So here goes.
Almost every day we hear about violent crime, terrorist attacks, or mass shootings, and people are simply afraid.
What Patriot One offers is the ability to instantaneously see if somebody is actually carrying a gun, a knife, a suicide vest.
The Patriot One PAT scan cognitive microwave radar is at the forefront of the covert weapons detection sector, a powerful technology to deter, detect, and defend.
Essentially, this is about saving lives. Patriot One technology will save lives.
So let me read this paragraph, guys. It says, the system, which has been developed and tested, is an innovative radar technology and software solution providing first responders and security personnel valuable time in active threat scenarios. The technology offers standoff detection of concealed threats typically employed in public locations. What makes Patriot One Technologies unique is its cognitive ability to detect guns and knives as well as to assess threats. The system is trained prior to installation and continues to learn upon deployment, getting better and smarter at detecting hidden weapons in each screening instance. So, when I first started looking into this, I first started researching Patriot One, I immediately became interested because it was just a few days after a mass shooting that happened last year. And so, you know, I don't know if, you know, what Patriot One is developing is really going to solve all problems, and it's probably not. But any little advantage that the citizen and the, you know, innocent bystander can get is, you know, more lives saved and less people dead in these kinds of situations. I think this is a very, very exciting company. They have so much really going for them already, and they're still very, very small. They're very investable. So, from a fundamental standpoint, guys, there's really not a whole lot we can actually look at because they're listed on the OTC exchange, so they don't report to the SEC yet. So, this is a very high-risk position. If you are to take a position in Patriot One, just keep in mind and bear all the you know, the risk involved with an OTC stock. So, it does not report to the American SEC. Therefore, we're not going to get earnings reports, and we're never going to know the true value of this company. But here I got the American OTC listing pulled up, guys, and they have a $225 million market cap here in the United States. And here is the Canadian listing, okay? They have a $291.88 million market cap in Canada. If you take the American listing and the Canadian listing, combine them together, you don't even have a $1 billion market cap yet. So I've actually looked over the Canadian listing, guys, and really, like I said, fundamentally, there's nothing we can really look at. They don't have registered profit margins, operating margins. You know, you can come down here and look at their total cash, but they don't have debt or equities, anything like that. The you know, the real important fundamentals I like to look at when I'm researching a stock. So this is a raw investment. You know, you are really taking a gamble investing in Patriot One, but I think their solutions and their vision is incredibly important to our you know, our future. And I think if you are going to have some high risk in your portfolio, this is a great company to be invested with. The only real analysis we can do, guys, is, you know, we can do chart work, and you know, that's about all we can really do as far as any kind of fundamental analysis. And as you can see, this stock has doubled, almost tripled in a year's time. So right here, guys, I've got the 5-year chart pulled up on Patriot One, and it's only been on the OTC exchange since 2016. So really, this is only about a 2-year chart. But you know, in early 2017, Patriot One was 40 to 50 cents a share. Okay, very, very inexpensive and cheap, and it has seen much elevation since then, and lots of buying opportunities. So right here, currently, we're resting at $2 or $1.90. I'm not going to say that it's at its most investable level. If you look historically, usually this stock will dip down and get cheaper throughout the months and the years, and you're really going to want to try to buy on the bottom here because there's so much risk involved. So if you look here on the 3-month chart, guys, Patriot One has come from $1.20 and $1.30 and ran up as high as $2.20. So almost a 100% return on this investment. You know, even if you want to look here, there was a low of $1.18. And like I said, a high of $2.20. So nearly a 100% return on this stock if you would have bought at the right time. So my suggestion, I wouldn't be buying here at $2 and $1.90. This was on my 3 stocks to buy list for November, but I want to see the price come down a little bit. I have a pretty strong inclination that it will drop quite a bit more. And that would be the time to pick up some shares. If you see 30 or 40% fall off of Patriot One, I would definitely jump in there and buy some. But for right now, while it's holding its $1.90 to $2 price tag, I'm probably not going to buy here, but I definitely want this on your watch list. I definitely want Patriot One, you know, on your watch list, and watching it all times. When you feel like it's getting too low, pull up the chart, take a look and see if it's an appropriate time to buy. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Go down to the comment section. Tell me what you think about Patriot One. I think it's a very exciting company. Like I said, super speculative, and we can't really do any fundamental research on it just yet, but very, very exciting. I think the products they offer are going to be very valuable to our future. So thanks for watching the video, guys.